The food your doctor told you was healthier has been quietly funding one of the biggest cover-ups in nutrition science. And the food they told you to fear? Ancient warriors ate it to live longer. By the end of this, you will never look at your dinner plate the same way again. Because what you think you know about red meat and chicken, almost all of it is backwards. Chicken became the healthy meat. Not because scientists proved it was better. It became healthy because the beef industry got destroyed by a single report in 1977. And the chicken industry paid to fill that gap. That's right. Your switch to grilled chicken wasn't a health decision. It was a marketing victory. But it gets worse. Modern factory chickens are so pumped with saline solution and processed feed that the protein structure is fundamentally different from chickens eaten 100 years ago. You're not eating what your great-grandmother called chicken. You're eating something that didn't even exist before 1950, and that's not even the worst part. The antibiotics used in chicken farming have been directly linked to antibiotic-resistant bacteria in humans. Every bite of non-organic chicken carries a microscopic war you didn't sign up for. Here's what nobody talks about. The longest living populations on Earth, the Sardinians in Italy, the Okinawans, the Tsimane people of Bolivia, they all eat red meat. Regularly, the Tsimane have the healthiest hearts ever recorded by modern science, and they eat wild game, almost daily. So why does every health documentary tell you red meat causes heart disease? Because the studies they used were based on processed red meat, hot dogs, bacon, fast food patties, not a grass-fed steak. They lumped gas station beef jerky in the same category as a home-cooked roast and called it SCI uns, mini twist. The saturated fat in grass-fed beef actually rises your HDL. That's the good cholesterol. Scientists still can't fully explain why populations that eat the mossed red meat sometimes have the lowest cardiovascular disease rates. That data gets very quietly buried. Roman gladiators were called hordearii, barley eaters. They ate mostly plant-based diets, but the warriors class S above them? Red meat, organ meats, bone marrow. Specifically, for cognitive sharpness and physical dominance, the Mongols, who built the largest land empire in human history, survived on almost nothing but red meat and fermented mare's milk for MUN-HS during campaigns. No scurvy, no collapse, extraordinary stamina. So basically, we've all been wrong, forever.